Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we are showcasing the power and elegance of the BMW 118i M Sport. This impressive compact car combines sportiness and luxury in one stunning package. Let's start with its performance. The BMW 118i M Sport is equipped with a 1.5-liter twin-power turbo engine, delivering an exhilarating 140 horsepower. With its dynamic acceleration and responsive handling, every drive will leave you craving for more. Moving on to the design, the 118i M Sport features sleek and aerodynamic lines, giving it a captivating and athletic presence on the road. From its iconic kidney grille to its striking LED headlights, this car demands attention wherever it goes. Step inside the cabin, and you'll be greeted with refined luxury and advanced technology. The sporty M Sport seats offer outstanding support and comfort, allowing you to truly enjoy your driving experience. And with the latest BMW infotainment system, you can stay connected and entertained, making every journey even more enjoyable. But the BMW 118i M Sport is not just about power and elegance. It also prioritizes safety. Equipped with cutting-edge features like lane departure warning, collision mitigation, and traffic jam assistant, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you and your passengers are protected. The BMW 118i M Sport is a perfect blend of power, elegance, and innovation. Experience the thrill of driving a top-class compact car, tailored to meet the demands of modern life. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.